coming right now from Austin to over here at my garage, and we're gonna work on this 240. Little backstory: I had Brian try to fix the radiator. It had some leaks. It was very tiny, so I couldn't see it. Spent a lot of time for these past couple weeks building a fan shroud for me. I think he had one and just modified it for my Koyorad Radiator. But here's some clips that shows that Brian was working on it, and shout out to him for taking out his time and just working on this for me and trying to get this car back and running. I appreciate it. Nate's finally coming down. I know he's been MIA. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and keep supporting. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, share, please, and hit up the Last Ronin store. We still got stickers right now in stock, and yeah, just trying to shoot big right now. But thank you. Peace.
Exactly what I thought. The fan chewed into that.
He's about to do his magic right now.
We got Brian and Nate here finally.
Look at that.
That's what killed your old radiator right there. These bushings got worn out. I don't know. I'm not mentioning any names. So we're gonna unshaft this.
Okay.
Okay.
Clear all this wiring too.
Yeah, we're gonna get rid of this and this.
The
It's not
new fan shroud here with the fans on.
Professional installation. It's gonna be a semi-professional installation.
Talk about these welds, Nate.
Huh?
Yeah, those welds a little, they're a little suspect.
I don't know how to
I don't know what's
cheat
going on with that. Took some silly putty on
You
there.
can weld aluminum better than me.
He used Honda
I'll
Bond.
let you-
These fans.
Spal Fans,
Yeah.
personally, my opinion is that Spal Fans are one of the best fans on the market for like aftermarket stuff. Turn around, you're gonna hear the difference. It's gonna sound like a damn Mercedes.
It's gonna sound like hot garbage.
Brand new radiator.
You're not even using the. What are you doing?
You said cut this right?
Well, you don't cut it with the grip inside.
You gave me the wrong tool. I had to fix it. Damn, imagine spending $80 on this? That's crazy.
Bro, imagine spending $80 on a fucking jersey for a fucking team that don't even win.
Viva Mexico, cabrón. Don't worry about that.
You're in the heat of the
I'm
moment.
a low budget mechanic, but I overcharge. KB.
Bro, what kind of dream catching bullshit is this? What's going on here?
In episode 1.
You know what's crazy? I don't even know if this is gonna fit.
That's crazy.
I know it fits the radiator.
Imagine spending all that time and don't fit. Oh, yeah.
So we got our fancy Spal fan here.
Is Chappie approved of this?
Chappie approved?
Is it upside down?
Chappie, you approved. Hey, anybody on the YouTube channel? I got 2 rear-wheel drive SRs that I'm not doing anything with currently.
Oh, yeah. Well, I've been doing that.
Yeah, you could donate over here.
Donate. You need like freaking another $4 grand to put the damn thing together.
I was going to tell you a secret how to make 5 extra horsepower, but he didn't want to hear it. If you come over here to this engine, this is how you make 5 extra horsepower. You have to get onto the Last Ronin website, right? And you have to purchase this sticker right here. And that'll get you 5 extra horsepower.
No wonder why my car's so fast. I got a couple of those in there.
Exactly. Link in the description.
We got a bunch of electrical connectors there. What I wanted to do was get the male version of this plug and have a nice plug here and have a nice plug on the other side, but I could not find the male version of that.
I bought the crash one.
Yeah.
I used to be a technician.
Save the Zenkis.
Yeah, we're saving it right now. Just trying our best.
Trying to.
Yeah, we have the mass scientist working his magic.
Oh, that's what they call them nowadays?
Yeah, that's Vin Diesel. Where'd you find the fan shroud?
This is a Honda fan shroud.
Honda. I like that.
I cut an inch off of this side and an inch off of this side, and it's pretty good. You need to upgrade your hoses.
Wherever
and
works
clamps
is.
and stuff at some point. Yeah, you'll be all right. But now this is ready to.
We never know when that's gonna happen. But yeah, no.
You're gonna have to literally cut a hole in his hose for him to replace it.
Obviously, people, whenever you work on a vehicle, you should definitely disconnect your battery. In contact here with the AC
No, real drift cars don't need AC. Just take it out.
Come on. It wasn't in all the way.
Wow.
So there's two ways we can go about this now. I did not know you had this plug here. This plug right here is for your AC, right? Does your AC work? Yeah. It does work.
Well, about to be back on the road, man.
It's been a long time I didn't drove this car, so excited.
It's my fault.
Doesn't seem like it by any
It's my fault.
Your
It's all
fault?
my fault. Yeah, my fault. I've been procrastinating.
It's all good. I'm patient.
No respect. What a pig.
You know what? There was no respect today at Buffalo Wild Wings. That kid that didn't say thank you for you opening up the door. If you ever see this, you taquache looking kid, you better make sure you freaking do your hair right and say thank you for somebody who opens the door for you.
Yeah, you ever open the door and you hold it for somebody, you know what I'm saying, and they don't say thank you? Shut the door on their ass, smack the door, hit them, kick them in their nuts, and run. What kind of clamp?
That's some freaking Nissan clamp from back in the 90s. All right, we found some Zozo Motors, random eBay relay kit. Cheerio.
Wow, I don't get in on that? No respect around here.
Alright, right now Brian's gonna wire these
Fubang Chong.
this relay and shit.
Relays.
Yeah, there's the diagram right there. If you want to do this yourself, there you go.
You may want to verify that the diagram is correct. It says black ignition, right? Normally, it should say like ignition positive, because there's a damn negative sign there, but that's actually a keyhole for the key. You see this bullshit? All right, so I figured the whole wiring dilemma. This wire right here, these two gray wires are supposed to be to your coolant sensor, which what your coolant temperature switch, whenever it sees a certain temperature, it's gonna ground out. It sends a ground signal to here. So this power probe has a ground signal all the time, so we're gonna test it like that. So that has ground, and this is supposed to be an ignition source. So when you turn the key on, it's supposed to get 12 volts. I put these two together, and I'm gonna test it. Now the battery is really dead. This car hasn't been started up for a while, so it has 9 volts.
Yeah,
So I'm gonna give it
a couple weeks.
There you go. Sound of the Spal. So the blue wire is powered, the black wire is ground. So I jumped these two ground, I teed into a fat ground over there, so that goes to the chassis. Two brown wires feed the fans. The instruction says to put fuses on these brown wires somewhere up here. So I'll put them up here later. We gotta buy 2 fuse holders. We gotta get the sensor for here for later on, but for now we're gonna activate this with either the ignition or the switch. I could keep this to ground all the time, and then when you get the sensor, just pop it in there. But we'll have it so when you turn the ignition on, it'll kick on all the time.
Okay.
So you're nice and safe.
Yeah, basically what he's saying is he's a freaking wanker.
Man right here has been nothing but instigating, harassing me. Now we gotta go to AutoZone and get some terminals, get two fuse holders, and we're done.
Cool. So we just came back from AutoZone.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we got the goodies. We got the emergency temporary battery terminals. We got the fuse holders. Make sure when you buy a fuse holder, you get it for the right fuse. ATM fuses, or HHM. I think you could fit those in there too. But yeah, I was almost being a dumbass, and I almost bought the wrong fuses for the wrong fuse holder.
Right now we're gonna try to get the battery charged up while he's doing his thing.
Yeah, we're gonna take this battery out. We're gonna put it next to the Suburban, let it charge up there for a little bit, and then by the time that's all charged, we should be all filled with fluid, fuses installed, ready to run. Cover that up. Oh my! God, it's fucking hot. Burn the fuck out of my hand.
Alright, we got Brian test driving my car.
I haven't driven a 240 in a very long time. All this thing's got a welded in.
Yes.
What clutch is in this thing?
Stock clutch, light flywheel from competition clutch.
This thing's sliding everywhere.
Yeah. It's just scary in the rain.
Dude, I would not drive this in the rain. The cooling gauge is all the way low.
Miss driving this fucking car, man.
The maiden voyage.
So far, everything's good, right? No problems?
Been holding up. Knock on wood right here. Last Ronin wood.
Yes, sir.
Like what? I do not want to be slidey boy today. The old tired KA, just not that tired.
I'll tell you, bro, it's a champ.
Bro, put some Rotel in this bitch. That's it, guys.
Yes, sir.
That's a wrap.
Thanks, Brian. Appreciate it.
Shit. That doesn't stay up. Oh,
Yep.
you gotta do
Drip
that.
button.
Fucking drip boy shit.
Drive like a champ.
Feel the air coming out of there, bro. Feel that.
Out of what?
Like, feel the air. Like from the fans.
Use the air.
Dude, don't you feel that?
Yeah.
Spal Fans. No more red wire.
No more red wire.
No more zip ties.
Oh, the tent's cool. Oh yeah, that shit's good.
You need to wire up a sensor to the actual, to the radiator, to the upper radiator.
Instead of it being all the time.
Yeah, instead of being on with ignition, how it is right now, we're gonna wire I guess a thermal switch to give it ground whenever it reaches like 180, 190 degrees. This way the fans aren't running all the time and it keeps the motor at an ideal temperature.
Okay.
I just gotta look up what's the proper temperature for this. If you know what temperature this engine's supposed to be at, let us know, because I forget, I'm old.
I'm pretty sure it's in the forum, so yeah.
Somebody in the forum. Who the hell listens to the forum
What you
anymore?
need to do is go get some rollers.
Rollers.
Yeah. Since the car's driving. So you drive.
Ah,
Okay.
oh yeah, we can do that. And the boba.
Yeah. If I would have learned how to zoom in, I would have been doing this all day, just dusty. Boy, how you feeling, man?
Well, I feel so relieved that my car's back, thanks to Brian. Everything was sponsored by Brian.
Except for I didn't buy the fans. He bought the fans. But everything, yeah, all the work and whatnot,
Yeah,
it's all good.
The driving is perfect as how it used to be. So I feel nostalgic, you know.
I'm saying,
But I guess now we have to take it down to Austin, do more shit with it.
get it cracking.
Nissan versus Honda.
Hopefully, yeah. I may have the fastest Nissan, but these guys are slide boys. So
But yeah, we about to finish this bad boy off here with some boba, you know what I'm saying? And I hope y'all like that video, man. David got the 40 back on the road. Brian's up in Arlington. That's a rare sight to see. Just stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. And any last words here?
Can you say channel again? Say it.
Channel?
You said it funny.
Channel?
You said channel. Channel.
You said it. Yeah, well, whatever, bro.
Alright, we out.
Channel, like, comment, subscribe, whatever.
Yeah, we out.